Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll look at another platform called Facebook Blueprint, which is a free online training program for Facebook users. Explore quick, free, self-guided courses on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp to help you improve your marketing skills. There are over 90 e-learning courses. The majority of them can be completed in 15 to 50 minutes. To get started, all you need is a Facebook account. Let's get started. Go to the official website of Facebook Blueprint by clicking on the link I provided in the description. Once you are in, you'll have this page with all of the topics, duration, rating, and study levels that are available. Courses on a variety of topics can be found further down the page. Click on the topics on the main page. For the following topics: Get started with Facebook, Get started with advertising, Learn advanced buying options, Target the right audience, Build awareness, Drive consideration, Generate leads, Promote my app, Increase online sales, Increase in-store sales, Choose ad formats, Get creative inspiration, Manage ads, so on. Let's click on each topic to see what courses are available. You'll be taken to another page with all connected topics, which you can filter by duration, difficulty, awards, and live events. For all other topics, go to All Activities. Search for Study Guide in the search box. To find 600 plus study guides to learn and download. How do I enroll in these courses? What should I do first? Choose a subject you'd want to learn about. And you'll be redirected to this page, with the course title, description, and lessons. Before continuing, log in with your Facebook account. After you've logged in successfully, begin learning and keep going until you've finished all of the lessons. You'll be granted a reward at the end of each course. Enjoy learning. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very useful who is looking for online courses. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you require any particular course. I try to get it for you. See you on my next video.